Hello students, today we will discuss the topic transportation in plant. We all know plant need carbon dioxide, sunlight, chlorophyll and water for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is taken in leaves through stomata and sunlight is also trapped by chlorophyll in chloroplast in the leaves. The remaining one component, which is water, is absorbed by roots from soil. Since photosynthesis occurs in leaves, so water needs to be transported from roots to leaves for photosynthesis. Also, food which is prepared in leaves needs to be transported from leaves to other parts of the plants. Thus, a special vascular system is present in plants for transportation. This vascular system consists of two tissues. One is xylem and other is phloem. Xylem consists of vessels and tracheids. Vessels and tracheids of roots, stems and leaves are interconnected so that a channel is formed through which water can reach to all parts of the plants. In addition with water, some other raw material like nitrogen, phosphorus and other minerals also carried. The water with these minerals is called xylem sap. The xylem tissue is used to carry xylem sap from root to leaves. The second part of transport system of plant is phloem. Phloem transport product of photosynthesis from leaves where they are synthesized to other parts of the plant. Let's discuss the topic translocation. Transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called translocation. It occurs in phloem. Besides the products of photosynthesis, the phloem transport amino acid and other substances. Now we will discuss the mechanism of transportation. Transportation occurs through two stages. The first is absorption of water and second is ascent of sap. Let us first discuss the first part, absorption of water. The root hair initially absorb water through diffusion. Once absorbed by root hair, water starts to move deeper and deeper and finally reaches the xylem. Let us now discuss the second stage, that is ascent of sap. The upward movement of water and dissolved minerals from the root to tip of the shoots, leaves, branches is called ascent of sap. Two factors regulate this movement: root pressure and transpiration pull. Root pressure. It is the pressure developed when the roots absorb excess water by an active process. Here, an active process means by spending energy. Due to this, the pre-existing water is pushed upward along the length of the stems to a small height. Transpiration pull. Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapors. Continuous transpiration occurring in all of the leaves creates a pressure difference between the tip of stem and bottom of the stem. Due to transpiration, pressure in leaves become low while pressure is more at the bottom of stem. Thus, an upward pull is exerted due to this pressure difference, which is called transpiration pull. In this way, water column is transported up to the tip of stem, leaves and branches, etc. Now, we will discuss the mechanism of transportation of food in phloem. Transportation of food, amino acid and other substances occurs through phloem, which is called translocation. These substances are especially delivered to the storage organ of plants like roots, fruits, and seeds, and to growing organs. Translocation of food and other substances takes place in the sieve tubes with the help of adjacent companion cells. Translocation occurs in both directions. Translocation in phloem is active process. It means it occurs by utilizing energy. Material like sucrose is transferred into the phloem tissue using energy from ATP. This transfer of materials increases osmotic pressure in phloem tissue. This increased osmotic pressure causes water to move into it. This pressure of incoming water moves the materials in the phloem to the tissues which have less pressure. This allows the phloem to move material according to the plant's need. For example, in spring season, sugar stored in root or stem tissue would be transported to the buds which need energy to grow at that time. So this was all about the transportation in plant. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing.